Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting question here. The question reads, an ice hockey puck is in the shape of a cylinder with radius 3.8 centimeters and thickness of 2.5 centimeters. It is made out of a rubber with a density of 1.5 gram per cubic centimeter. Now we are asked to work out the mass of the ice hockey puck in three significant figures. I already have a solution here because of the decimals, but you should know that what is the relationship between the density and mass. You should know that the density is equal to what? Mass divided by the volume. But what are we looking for? We are looking for the mass, which implies that the mass of the hockey puck is equal to the density multiplied by the volume. Therefore, we have to find the volume because it is in a cylindrical form, something like this. The thickness is 2.5 cm, right? But the radius is 3.8 cm. What is the formula for volume? Pi r squared h. This is the formula. So this is equal to pi times r, which is 3.8 squared, times the thickness, which is 2.5. Everything together, including pi, I have it here to be 113.4 cm cube. This is the volume. So since we have the volume, just bring it back here, which implies that the mass of the hockey puck is equal to the density. I think we are given the density here, which is 1.5, right? 1.5 multiplied by 113.4, and this is equal to 170 in three significant figures. And what is the unit? Gram. Very simple question, right?